Are you searching for a canine companion that combines power, loyalty, and elegance? Well, you might have come across the majestic Cane Corso, also known as the Italian Mastiff. In this video, we delve into everything you need to know about the Cane Corso breed. By the end of this video, you'll be able to decide if this is the right dog for you. Welcome back to Doggy Pedia, where we bring you all things dog-related. Without further ado, let's begin. 1. Cane Corsos are not suitable for first-time owners. Cane Corsos are awesome dogs, but they're not the best choice if you're new to owning a dog or unsure if you really want one. They need a lot of attention, training, and time spent with them. You might see them online behaving perfectly, but that's because their owners put in tons of effort, money, and time to make them that way. Having a Cane Corso is like having a full-time job. So if you're not ready to make your life all about them, you might want to think twice. One owner shared their experience, saying that even though they've had dogs before, Corsos are a whole different ballgame. They got one in 2020 and it really kicked their dog training skills up a notch. These dogs need a purpose, or else they'll start causing trouble and not listen. They're super energetic and need to meet lots of people and other dogs to be well behaved. So if you're considering getting one, be prepared for a big commitment. 2. Cane Corsos are excellent protectors. Cane Corsos are famous for being loyal and smart dogs. They stick by their family's side and are always ready to protect them. You'll often find them showing affection and being gentle with their family members, like giving cuddles or playing nicely. But when it comes to strangers, they can get a bit cautious. It's like they have a built-in alarm system, making sure to keep an eye out for anything unusual. 3. Training and socialization are a must for Cane Corsos. Cane Corsos are big sweethearts, but they need some serious training and socializing. I'm not saying you can't handle it, but it's important to be prepared. Training these gentle giants is crucial because they're super smart, but can also be a bit stubborn. Starting early and keeping it consistent is key. And trust me, positive reinforcement works best with these sensitive souls. So forget about harsh punishments and stick to the treats and praise to keep them on track. Now let's talk about socializing. It's not just for humans. Cane Corsos need to meet lots of different people, pets, and places when they're little pups. This helps them grow up to be well-adjusted and friendly adults. Think of it like giving them a crash course in making friends and exploring the world. So if you're ready to commit to training and socializing, you'll have yourself a loyal and well-behaved companion in no time. 4. Cane Corsos need a strong and reliable owner. When you're dealing with a Cane Corso, you gotta let them know who's the boss. They need to see you as the leader of the pack, not them. Now don't worry, you don't have to be all tough and scary about it. Just make sure they understand that you're in charge. So how do you establish yourself as the alpha? It's all about setting boundaries and sticking to them. Show them that you make the rules and they gotta follow them. But remember, it's not about being mean or harsh, it's about earning their respect. So be confident, be consistent, and let them know that you're the one calling the shots. 5. You need to help your Cane Corso cope with extreme weather conditions. Cane Corsos can handle different types of weather and places pretty well, but they do have their limits. They're okay with a variety of temperatures, but if it gets too hot or too cold, they might struggle. So it's important to make sure they have a cozy spot to chill when it's scorching hot and a warm place to snuggle up when it's freezing cold. With the right setup, they can adjust to different climates and surroundings, but it's essential to think about what they need to stay comfy and happy. Providing shelter and shade during hot weather and protection from harsh conditions during cold snaps is key to keeping Cane Corsos comfortable. Whether it's a shady spot in the yard or a cozy bed indoors, making sure they have a safe and comfy place to hang out is essential. By taking their needs into account and making sure they're well taken care of, Cane Corsos can thrive in various environments and climates. 6. Cane Corsos have high exercise and activity needs. Cane Corsos have energy to spare, so they need plenty of exercise to stay in tip-top shape. Think of them like athletes. They thrive on outdoor adventures like hikes, runs, and even bike rides. And if you're feeling adventurous, why not try out some cool dog sports like dock diving or tracking? It's all about keeping them moving and engaged. Usually 60 to 90 minutes of exercise every day is enough to keep them satisfied. Now here's the thing. A bored Cane Corso is a recipe for trouble. That's why it's super important to give them meaningful work and mental stimulation. Whether it's going on exciting outdoor excursions or participating in fun dog sports, these activities keep their brains busy and their behavior in check. So remember to keep your furry friend active and entertained, and you'll have a happy and well-behaved Cane Corso on your hands. 7. Cane Corsos need a huge space. Cane Corsos can be fantastic companions for families, especially if they've grown up with kids and other pets since they were little. But because they're big and protective, it's crucial to keep an eye on them, especially around small children. Their size and instincts mean they might need a bit of supervision to make sure everyone stays safe and happy. When Cane Corsos are raised with children and other pets from a young age, they often become loyal and loving members of the family. They can be gentle and affectionate, enjoying playtime and cuddles with their human siblings. But because of their protective nature, it's essential to teach kids how to interact safely with them and to always supervise their interactions. With proper guidance and supervision, Cane Corsos can be wonderful additions to families, bringing joy and companionship to everyone in the household. 8. Cane Corsos need regular grooming. Cane Corsos have short coats, which means grooming them is pretty straightforward. But here's the deal, they do shed a bit all year round, so it's a good idea to give them a regular brush to keep their coat looking sleek and shiny. Plus, the occasional bath can keep them smelling fresh and reduce shedding even more. Regular grooming isn't just about making them look good, it's also about keeping them healthy. So you'll need to take care of their teeth and nails too. Brushing their teeth regularly helps prevent dental issues and keeps their breath fresh. And don't forget about those nails. Trimming them every few weeks keeps them from getting too long and causing discomfort. So make grooming a complete package, and your Cane Corso will look, feel, and smell amazing. 9. You need to watch Cane Corso's interaction with smaller animals. When you're thinking about getting a Cane Corso, it's important to think about how they'll get along with other pets in your home. These dogs can be trained to be buddies with other animals, but their protective instincts might cause some clashes, especially with smaller pets like cats or tiny dogs. Starting early and teaching them how to be gentle and friendly with other animals can help avoid problems, but it's crucial to keep an eye on them and give them guidance if they start to act up. 10. Cane Corsos are prone to certain health issues. When it comes to Cane Corsos, it's important to be aware of potential health issues they might face. One common problem is hip dysplasia, where the hip joint doesn't develop properly, causing pain and discomfort. This condition can lead to arthritis and might require expensive surgery to fix. Another concern is idiopathic epilepsy, which causes seizures in the dog. While medication can help manage seizures, it's still something to watch out for, especially since it can start at a young age. Eye problems are also quite common in Cane Corsos. They might experience issues like entropion, where the eyelids curl inward and can scratch the eye, or ectropion, where the eyelids roll outwards and exposes the eye to infection. Cherry eye, which causes redness and swelling in the eye, is another condition that might need surgery to correct. Lastly, bloat is a serious and potentially life-threatening condition where the stomach fills with gas and twists, cutting off circulation. Feeding smaller meals and using slow feeders can help reduce the risk. So while Cane Corsos are amazing dogs, it's essential to be prepared for these health challenges and provide them with the care they need. In conclusion, Cane Corsos are remarkable dogs with a lot to offer, but they also come with their own set of needs and considerations. From their loyal and protective nature to their grooming requirements and potential health issues, there's a lot to think about before bringing one into your home. However, with proper training, socialization, and care, Cane Corsos can be incredibly rewarding companions, bringing joy, love, and loyalty to your family. And that ends our video for today. We've covered so much about Cane Corsos, but we'd love to hear if you have any additional insights to share in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more positively awesome content. Once again, this has been Doggy Pedia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.